But this would be my first bath in like 4 days.
Well, after a star show last night, it's now morning and we're having breakfast. Grits is on the menu.
Yes, indeed, Matt Jackson. Instant grits and some green tea. Look at that. Breakfast of the VW Lifers out here at Big Bend.
Well, we have broke camp and now we are heading out. The plan is to visit the hot springs down on the river.
Oh, cool.
What's your name?
Shiloh.
And what's your van again?
It's an 86 with a Subaru.
Ooh.
I just did the Subaru this winter. Yeah.
And you got the kids? You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, we do a YouTube stuff. We go on.
Gary, why are you dressed like
Look at this. Matt Jackson. I'm going for. Technically, I'm going for a hot springs, but this would be my first bath in like 4 days. So I'm kind of excited.
Yeah, really.
And you could use it.
I could use it. I'm just smelling a little.
I could have bought some soap.
VW Life on the border.
On the border, living La Vida Loco.
Hold on, VW Lifers. Let me get y'all Matt Jackson's shirt here.
If you haven't seen the dopest of the dope, let me show you this VW bus shirt.
Plus, his pants have zippers on the legs.
Yeah.
Look at those legs. Look at that.
What do we have up here, Bayla?
Photographs.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Hey, Matt Jackson's VW Life.
And there is Mexico. There it is.
Here, right here.
We'll spare the viewers the rest of this video.
Hold on, wait, Matt Jackson, I got your last little.
Oh, yeah, the girls will like that.
Did they make blurry dots big enough to cover?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to blur that out.
Hi, Pops. How'd it go?
Oh, AJ, what a, I mean, look at here. Natural hot spring in Texas here in Big Bend National Park, Big Bend Bus Bash. Beautiful day, beautiful friends. Look at this. Everybody's enjoying themselves. Everybody's being just what it's all about, man. It's wonderful.
This guy's selling stuff. He lives over there in Mexico and he swims across and he puts his little art here.
Here we are in the middle of Big Bend. This is if you've never been to Big Bend, what country this is. They're the 5 Big Bend Bus Bash. Big Bend Bus Bash buses. Say that 5 times. Man, what a great time we've had out here. It's been just Absolutely stunningly beautiful country. If you ever get a chance to come out to Big Bend, this is a place to come, man. It's just, it's out of this world. You just can't describe it. Really can't. It's a magical place, and I think that's why we do this every year. Glad you guys were able to come along with us. Journey's not over, but we're gonna be heading out of the park, making tracks north and a little east. Lots more to see and lots more to come, but thank you guys so much. And if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. Tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody about VW Live. Get out there and drive your Volkswagen, man.
And go get a shirt.
Yeah.
What did we just have?
So, pretty much, we just ran for what, 70 miles? Cool temperatures, but all the symptoms look like vapor lock for some reason. Even in these temperatures, it's 50.
Not running hot at all.
No. First, we just checked. We weren't getting any pumping out of here. So then we just connected the line for the gas tank. We were getting fuel there. We knew. So then, perhaps what we did by doing that is we took the vapor bubble out.
Yeah.
And then as you pumped it, I held my finger on that to help it build pressure, and then it was good.
Okay.
What you got here, Pops?
Well, trying to warm some water on a cold morning on this little one burner, and this little one burner, of course, we're about what, over 4,000 feet up, so boiling water is a little more difficult, and this is just exacerbating the situation. And I'm cold. I want some hot tea.
And this is how we heat up Pop-Tarts.
Yeah. Old.
Mr. Silkson. What are you doing this morning on this fine, cold Big Bend morning?
Packing up, drinking coffee, hanging out with the dog, getting ready to roll, heading to the next spot.
Is it Guardian?
Might be going to Garner State Park, might be going, where else?
Lost
Lost Maples? I don't know. We'll see. Wherever the wind takes us.
Well, we were getting up, ready to leave this morning, and after breakfast, and Helga decided I didn't want to work. And we had a little taste of this yesterday with the fuel pump, so we're gonna swap it out, and hopefully that's the bad juju going on.
Take this guy off. That back bolt's pretty hard to get to, so you need a 13 on a swivel to get back there, or it's good to have a curved 13. Dan Picasso here graciously gave us some grease going into the new pump, and now
It doesn't have grease. Is that what we're getting from this?
VW Life, I tell you.
so we got the new pump all greased up and it's going in. Let's see if this fixes our problem.
Stop.
So I put them on backwards.
Yeah.
And is right there. I should have read the diagram.
When all else fails, read the diagram.
There's a little arrow in it too.
Wait, Matt Jackson should have read something on this trip?
Are you sure that wasn't the right hot springs area? According to the map, that was.
Maybe like a freaking street sign that said Hot Springs this way? Well,
Okay, she's running now. We had timing issues, points closed up, fuel pump, but we got it going. That's VW Life. Couldn't have done it without these guys. We're just knocking out the miles. You can see Ziggy back there. The nice thing is we got about a 20-mile-an-hour tailwind. It's really helping us with our speed. Buses are running great. We're gonna stop for lunch up here on the Pecos River. This is the highest bridge in Texas.
Above the river at 273 feet. From the top of that to the river is, hey, are you gonna jump?
No. Who is that?
Is that your son?
Is that your boy?
I know there's a fence.
And then Jake, well, Jacob, a cup for win, come get down.
great things about doing this near the border is going through all the inspection stations. We go to Big Bend every year. It's called the Big Bend Bus Bash. We're from Austin. Yep. Thank you. All right, well, we made it into Garner State Park. The sun is set, the moon is out, and what's on the menu for tonight, Gary?
Matt Jackson, we are eating like kings tonight, baby. So we got some stew, and we kind of make our, we're gonna spice it up a little bit. And then we got these popper things right here, look at this. Look like we know what we're doing, man.
Yeah, and the fire's going.
Yep. We're boiling some water.
Long day on the road deserves a good hearty meal.
Oh, that's what I say. What are you eating for supper tonight, Matt Jackson?
Lasagna and veggie kielbasas.
Oh, don't get no better than that.
Did you film that? No!
Had a chilly morning this morning.
It's that bittersweet part. It's the last day of the Big Bend Bus Bash 5. We've had some travels and some travails.
Adventures and antics.
You know, full of that. Today we've got, I don't know, maybe about, what, 200 miles to go?
A little over 200.
We thank you guys for going along with us.
Yep.
Look, man, you don't have to do something as crazy as this.
You don't have to do 5 days and 1,200 miles, but we hope that you do something.
It inspires you to get out there and drive your bus, or drive your Beetle, drive your Gia, drive your thing, whatever. We do this for us, but we do the videos to share with you guys and to share our adventures. I mean, working on cars is fun, but it's more fun to go out and use them.
We went from the Rio Grande yesterday through the mountains of the desert, into the plains, into the hill country all in one day.
All in one day. Unbelievable. And I'm sure around wherever you guys are, you got some good places too. Go out there and enjoy the outdoors and be a part. Take your Volkswagen out, man. And you know, everywhere you stop, somebody's gonna come up to you and want to talk to you.
Well, that's happened quite a bit here.
Has it really? Yeah. What did that one girl say to us last night?
How can you be that awesome?
How can you be that awesome? And I said, it's easy, baby. Let's put this next 200 miles behind us.
Yeah, let's warm up these buses and try to make the DQ or the Whataburger in Johnson City.
That's the plan, Stan.
All right.
All right.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you're seeing, hit the like button and subscribe. Wow, Gary, we've been driving down these hill country roads along.
Matt Jackson, this is Highway 39, Texas Highway 39. It kind of meanders along with the Guadalupe River.
Looking for a spot where we could pull over, and this is.
We found a low water crossing here, and it's just beautiful here.
It is
just absolutely beautiful. What a great way to end our journey and everything. So, man, I'm just so happy, and then the boys entertained us trying to climb up this wall right here.
Davey, go, Davey, go! Oh!
Go!
Do it, Davey.
No pressure. Oh, look at
Oh, look at that. He's a true athlete.
Yeah, well, Davey is our true athlete in the VW Life Big Bend Bus Bash group. There's no doubt about that.
Staple of Big Bend, Matt Jackson.
Yes, the stop at BQ. Let's talk desert pinstriping. A new pinstripe?
Yeah, I think we got a good one here.
It's hard to see in the dark.
Yeah, you got to go down low. It's right
So
here.
Yeah, I see this one right here.
Yeah, it goes along the entire thing.
Yeah, that's a nice one all the way.
Focus up over here. Nice down here. Look at all these scratches. Look at that. I'm in the
There we
light.
go.
Sorry, Matt Jackson.
There we go. We got
desert pinstriping.
Oh, that's a new one. Yeah.
Big Bend Bus Bash number 5. Gentlemen, we did it.
That's right.
This is where we kind of go our separate ways for at least a little bit, but as I've said before, I wouldn't do this with anybody else on this planet.
Yep.
And I'm damn proud to be a part of this Big Bend Bus Bash and everybody that's here. And I just want to say thank you guys for your support.
Yeah.
And for the energy y'all guys bring to this, and for the heart and the soul and everything that we put into this. This is what it's all about right here.
Yep, 5 days of no internet, no showers, and being lost.
Yeah, a lot, especially when Matt Jackson's giving us directions.
Thank you, Gary.
Thank you guys. It's all what it's all about. Till next year, Big Bend Bus Bash 6.